Welcome to Robertson Homes at Hamilton Heights in Hamilton. My name's George and I'm delighted to introduce myself and introduce our exciting new development. Being from Hamilton myself, I am incredibly excited to talk you through everything that our new development has to offer. So a little bit about Robertson Homes. Robertson Homes have been building family homes for over 50 years. We're a family-run and family-owned business and genuinely put family at the heart of everything we do. Robertson was founded in Elgin in 1966, and like most families, the business has grown steadily and gradually over the years. In Hamilton, we're building 91 luxury 4, 5 and 6 bedroom detached family homes, with clever layouts that are spacious and airy, and come with our signature garden rooms that Robertson Homes are renowned for. It really is my favourite space in a Robertson home. With the vaulted ceilings, cathedral windows and spectacular French or bifold doors, it's a space that brings outside in. At Robertson we strive to build in the best locations, and Hamilton Heights is no different. We're located in a quiet setting in the South Lanarkshire countryside, but with spectacular views over Hamilton and beyond, yet only 2 miles from the town centre. Hamilton has excellent commuter links to both Glasgow and Edinburgh, with easy access to both the M8 and M74. It also boasts 2 train stations and a fantastic bus network. The historic town of Hamilton has excellent shopping and leisure facilities, with lots of attractions on our doorstep. If you enjoy going for long walks, there is 2 fantastic country parks to explore, Charlotte Row and Strathclyde Park. Families will be able to enjoy the sports facilities nearby at Hamilton Palace grounds, with tennis courts and football pitches, and close by David Lloyd for all your fitness needs. We have got some fantastic schools locally with a large choice of nursery, primary and secondary. The University of West of Scotland also has a campus in town which offers a diverse range of courses. So if you're looking for a spacious luxury new home, built with family at its core, with a fantastic specification included as standard, then we can't wait to hear from you.